Hey friends, today I'll show you how I'm making the simplest sleek low bun. So we'll need some hair gel, hair oil and some hairspray. Also we need some hair brushes, one to detangle our hair, one to make our parting and the one to smooth out our hair. So firstly we want to detangle our hair, make our central parting like I'm showing. We'll measure with our palm our parting and the rest we want to brush backwards. Then we want to use some hair oil and I'll distribute it through all my hair. As you can see, this is my third day hair. Then we want to brush our hair and tie it into a low ponytail. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we'll work with it. Now we'll use some hair gel to smooth out our hair. I'm using aloe vera gel, but at this point you can use hair foam or you can use some hair mask if you are making this hairstyle in the summer. I'll distribute it through all my hair and I'll use a boar looking brush, but I'm not sure it's natural, but it's dense. And turning upside down my brush, this way I'll shape my hairline on both sides and then we'll smooth down all our hair like that. Then we'll use some strong hold gel. This is optional. And again, shaping beautifully our hairline and smoothing everything down. We want to retie our ponytail, but this time we want to smooth out our hair before tying it, okay? Now we want to detangle our ponytail and then using some gel, we'll distribute it through our ponytail and then we want to twist it around our base until reaching the ends and then we want to tie it with a clear elastic. You can tie here any elastic you like, you can use even a scrunchie for that, but I'll use a clear elastic and then I'll use some grips to fix in place the shape of my bun. Then using some hairspray, we will tame any flyaways and then on our parting so there are no baby hairs sticking out. And that's it guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's sleek low bun. Don't forget about like, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel for more. Let me know in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like to see next. But that's it for today and I love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!